Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic and greetings from Dallas, Texas. If you're local to the Dallas area, drop it in the comment section below. I'd like to chat with you guys even further since I am here locally. Well, what we're going to talk about today and very quickly as far as how you're going to be able to get a free rental car because of the BMW blower motor recall. Now, if you haven't watched my video as far as on that recall, I'll post it up here at the top. So what you need to do is you need to go into the BMW dealership, speak with the service manager, and tell them that you feel unsafe driving your BMW. You smell smoke, you smell something burning, your blower motor is not working quite right, anything else like that to cause concern. BMW is going to pay for your rental car until those parts are available and for your car to physically get in and get that stuff changed out. Now here's the thing. Depending on the BMW dealership, some BMW dealers want your car to stay there with them, or it's going to stay at your house, but they log your miles. Therefore, if you drive your BMW anywhere whatsoever, you're going to have to pay for that rental car. So it kind of sucks in a way that, you know, you can get a kind of crappy rental car and you're not driving your BMW, but with the concerns coming on and actually the trending as far as just the cars catching on fire, you know, it's probably in your best interest. Now, you know, I'm impacted of this recall as well. Now, granted, I do work from home and I physically don't have to drive anywhere whatsoever. So it's kind of like, I'm not going to get a rental car because I don't need it. I will be looking further into mine just to see how bad it is. So stay tuned for that video and I'm going to show you guys a little bit how to see it and how to look for it. So that's going to be coming up here. It all depends on the BMW dealership. They're either going to charge you to look at your car to confirm. Therefore, if they look at your blower motor and everything is perfect, you're going to probably have to pay the $100 and $120 as far as for them to look at it. Some dealers will do that, some don't. Like I said, they're all different. They all do different things, but you definitely need to check with your service manager at your BMW. Now, if you get any pushback as far as that for that free rental car, you need to just tell them that you just called BMW NA and they told you to come in. Now, if you still get pushed back, and let's say you didn't call BMW of NA, you can physically call BMW NA and they will call the dealership and get everything situated. You know, it's something that they're doing right now. It's what a lot of folks are doing. They're either getting some pretty sweet, you know, rental cars, I'd have to say, and others are getting some very basic Kias or Chevy Cruzes or whatever be the case for your stuff. So it all depends what they go through, who they go through, the rental cars available, how much the dealer is paying for all that stuff. Obviously, it's going to be specific to the dealership itself. So best of luck to you guys to do that. Obviously, we want you to be safe and everything else like that. So stay tuned for that video, like I said, as far as me showing you how to look at your blower motor to see if yours is truly bad. Well, guys, it's easy as that, how to get that free rental car because of the BMW blower motor recall. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. Check you next time, and take care. See ya.